Hello there. Thank you for coming to watch my video. And what you're seeing here is a quick diagnose and a switch from the Predator 2000 inverter generator to the Predator 2500 that just came out this month. It does a little bit more wattage. It's about the same form factor. It's really similar. But this is just a quick display of some of the parts and just me basically upgrading from the 2000 to the 2500. I appreciate you watching the video. Make a like and a subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. It's a quick video. I'm really not trying to review it. This is just a real quick status update, and thanks and have a great day.